Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm about to install the PCV valve on my Acura TL Type S. It's a 2008 model.
So it's a 10mm bolt.
Alright, so you need a 10.
That shit's crusty. Man, long ass fucking bolt. Okay, put this to the side. Okay, there we go.
Alright guys, so what you want to do is you want to get the old one and you want to put some of the oil onto the new one.
It's for to lubricate the O-rings, so it could slide in nice and easy.
That should be good.
When you guys are removing it, also be careful because you might drop this right here. You need this to fill in the little gap. So there you go. Then just tighten it up, and that's that.
Alright, this is how you can tell if it went bad if you shake it and you don't hear nothing. When you shake the new one, you can hear it rattle. It's supposed to rattle, but this one went bad.
You could barely hear it. The
Yeah.
new one, you were able to hear it really good. So
So you needed should need to be changed.
yep.
Here's the old one. So yeah, ignore my dirty engine bay. As you can see, I live in the dirt. It's pretty hard to keep the car clean here. But yeah, this is where it's located. It's a pretty simple fix. Took us literally 2 minutes. You just need a 10 mil for this. You just unscrew it and then take the old one out, lubricate it with some of the oil from the old one, and then you put the new one in, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. It's a quick little tutorial video. Plan on doing some more of these. So yeah, thanks guys. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Peace out.
Cause in this world, baby, there's a lot of fucking drugs, but you the only thing that could really fuck me up. You get me to another level that I ain't never seen. Got me asking for more, now I'm starting to fiend. Cause in this world, baby, there's a lot of fucking drugs, but you the only thing that could really fuck me up.